What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is just going to be a pure driving video of my 1995 Mazda MX5 Miata at Lime Rock Park on the FCP Euro Proving Grounds short course. It's the inner course at Lime Rock, which is absolutely perfect for Miatas and for novice drivers and anyone who wants to explore the limits of their car and test out their own driving skills. I could not recommend it enough. So at the end of this video, check out Lime Rock Park and check out modifiedmachines.com and sign yourself up for a track day. I actually have another track day tomorrow. What you're seeing in this video is pre-alignment, and since then I've gotten alignment and I'm going to go back, and I think it's going to be a world of difference. So really quick, give you the rundown on what this car is. I already told you it's a 95 Miata, fuel coilovers, MKR PF1s on Falcon Azenis. We have a Tours Indefinite now, full Racing Beat exhaust, header, catback, Racing Beat front tubular sway bar mounts, Rev 9 intake, coil radiator. Pretty basic full bolt-on build so far, but it's only just the beginning for this car. There's a lot coming. So if you're interested, I have documented every single thing I've done to this car. There's a full build series on my channel, so check that out after this video. And yeah, let's get right to it. 413RC, thank you for the drone shots. Modified Machines, thank you for hosting the track event in Lime Rock. Thanks for having a track to have fun on. The last clip at the end of the driving video is going to be unstabilized raw footage from 413RC's drone showing you an aerial view of the entire Proving Grounds race course. I'm going to do like a lap and a half just so you could get a feel of what it's like, and you could go try it for yourself. It's a very stress-free environment, so enjoy the video. little Miata on the Lime Rock racetrack. They're like peas and carrots. I mean, they're perfect together. This car is so much fun on that track. I hope you all enjoyed watching that video. It was just a no nonsense, no BS, pure driving video, just so you could get a feel of what it's like to drive in that course. Thanks again. Holy Moses. It's freaking windy out here today. Gotta love Connecticut. But thanks again for watching. I have to do some maintenance on the Miata to get ready for tomorrow's track day. So there'll definitely be more content coming up, more track content. Check out the build series on the Miata. Also, the Subaru needs a resurrection. M3, I'm about to start a huge build series on. So if you're into any of that stuff or just into cars in general, check out my channel. I'm trying to do this full time, so I'm gonna keep on cranking out content. I've committed to every Wednesday at 5 p.m. will be a new video. And if I ever catch up in life on editing, I'm gonna put more videos in between. So thank you all for the support. Yeah. See you all in the next one. Peace.
And really, man, the focus is just leveling up. Cause I know the life I want, I'm just setting it up. Removing those that's close who try messing it up. Can't wait for champagne toast with the relevant bunch. Like, what's up? Yeah. Like, what you do, homie? What's your vision? How you thinking? How you move, homie? And is you cool, homie? You thinking building, then that's something we could do, homie.